Question number 8, third bit. Integration of 10x plus 10 alpha by 10x minus 10 alpha into dx, and that is equal to integration of, that is here 10x is equal to sin x by cos x plus, that is 10 alpha is equal to sin alpha by cos alpha by, that is sin x by cos x minus sin alpha by cos alpha into dx, and that is equal to integration taking LCM, that is cos x into cos alpha, that is sin x into cos alpha plus cos x into sin alpha, total divided by, again that is cos x into cos alpha, that is sin x into cos alpha minus cos x into sin alpha into dx, and that is equal to integration here sin into cos b plus cos a into sin b, that is equal to sin a plus b, that is sin x plus alpha, and sin a into cos b minus cos a into sin b, that is sin x into cos alpha minus cos x into sin alpha, that is sin x minus alpha, and cos x cos alpha cancelled, it is into dx, that is sin x plus alpha by sin x minus alpha into dx, that is x minus alpha. Now taking x minus alpha is equal to z and taking differentiation both sides, that is dx is equal to dz. Again this x is equal to z plus alpha, so we have x plus alpha, that is x plus alpha is equal to z plus alpha, that implies x plus alpha is equal to z plus 2 alpha. So this is equal to integration, that is sin x plus alpha, that is sin, that is x plus alpha is equal to, that is z plus 2 alpha by sin x minus alpha, that is x minus alpha is equal to z, and dx is equal to dz, that is into dz, and this is equal to integration, that is sin a plus b, that is sin a into cos b plus cos a into sin b, that is sin z into cos to alpha plus cos to alpha into sin z, that is total divided by sin z dz, that is sin a into cos b plus cos a, that is cos here cos z into sin 2 alpha, that is cos z into sin 2 alpha dz. Again taking same, that is sin z into cos 2 alpha plus cos z into sin 2 alpha, total divided by sin z dz. So this is equal to integration, here sin z cancel, and cos 2 alpha, this is constant, that is cos 2 alpha into integration of dz plus sin 2 alpha, this is constant, and integration of cos z by sin z dz, that is equal to cos 2 alpha integration of dz, that is equal to z plus sin 2 alpha, and here integration of cos z by sin z dz. If sin z is equal to t, then cos z dz is equal to dt, that is integration of dt by t, that is ln t, that means here ln sin modulus of z plus c, and that is equal to cos 2 alpha, and we have z is equal to x minus alpha, that is x minus alpha plus sin 2 alpha into ln sin z, z is equal to x minus alpha, that is ln sin x minus alpha modulus plus c.